My great-grandfather had a furniture factory. He came over from Germany, started the business, and it followed one down the line. I've been doing woodworking for 30 plus years. First started out doing country furniture till I started my own business. I'm Brian Dickoff, owner of Country Classics Woodshop. We specialize in custom kitchens, wall units, built-ins, and desks. We build something different every day. It's a satisfaction. With woodworking, it's what's going to make it easier, what's going to save time. Everything that we carry is all DEWALT. We use sanders almost every day. The sander never slowed us down. The runtime was great. It's comfortable. It doesn't give you a pain in the wrist. We use the routers for all the door trim, cleaning up face frames. The cordless router has the power for running hardwood material and softwood material. The jigsaw blows the material out of your way so you can see your line as you're cutting. We're always guaranteed that we can get the job done. Quality is looking at every part of it, from the raw wood to the product that's being finished. It's a great feeling that we put that together to make the customers happy. With DEWALT, it's nothing but the best.